आयज तुम्ही एक मेन ओके आयज तुम्ही एक मेन इशू घेतले तो लोनाचो. सरकार आता लोन रीण काढीत आसा आणि तुम्ही एक इशू एक बरो घेतलो.
हांवें सांगिल्लें ते भाशेन ऑलमोस्ट जे रीण काडलेलें आसा ते 10 वर्सां चयल्यार इट हॅज डबल्ड. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट 35,300 crores. In detail during the budget we are going to speak. Interests also have been doubled. 2016-17 जे लोन काढले तेजे principal amount, as per RBI they say, as per CAG, that all these payments will come, they have to be paid today. So the government does not have the right the way they are doing events, spending hundreds of crores, just 677 crores is not a small amount. The Chief Minister doesn't deny that. So from 2022 onwards, 677 crores, roughly 46 lakhs per day. The Prime Minister comes, he spends 22 lakhs per minute. 13 crore event for a 1 hour event. So if you look at this, they've got, I said in the morning, they are looting in the name of events. We asked the Chief Minister that he needs to curtail, bring in some measures. If you look, the Chief Minister, the first time when I spoke on the budget, I remember the first budget I spoke about these FRBM violations, especially 25% debt to GSTP ratio. That has to be below 25%, but the way the Chief Minister has gone way at more than even 30%. He's trying to control it. ह्या रीण काडप म्हणटाय ते एक दुयेंस, आनी हे दुयेंस काडून म्हाका दिसता लोकांक पयशे मेळटा जाल्यार दुसरी भाशा. हे पयशे हेच खाता, इव्हेंट करून नाचता, दुखोता आनी कितें दुखोता, हिंग दुखोता, थिंग दुखोता, मोडिताय आनी हे पयशे खाताय. सो म्हाका दिसता हेज मुखार स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय हे प्रोग्राम केलो आनीक स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाचे प्रयत्न केले. हे स्वयंपूर्ण प्रयत्न काय कितें सरकाराचे, हे सगळे आमी तांकां क्वेश्चन केलेले आहाय. खास करून टॅक्सीचो इशू, वी वर नॉट कॉल्ड, ऑपोजिशन MLAs वर नॉट कॉल्ड. द टॅक्सी इश्यू इज समथींग दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट, नीड्स टू बी रिझॉल्व्ड. आमचे टॅक्सीचे एम्बेसेडर आनी जी टॅक्स एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी आहा, ही एग्रिगेटर पॉलिसी ते स्क्रॅप करतले म्हणून तेमी आमकां अश्युरन्स दिलेलें आसा. न्यू पॉलिसी दे वील टेक एवरीवन टुगेदर. तेज नंतर जे म्हाका दिसता, वेन वी स्पोक ऑन द कॉलिंग अटेंशन अबाउट पीपल एंड द वॉर, वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द गल्फ, the Chief Minister and their ministry are clueless, absolutely ridiculous when other states are preparing. Maharashtra has got people already by charter flights, Kerala has acted, and Goa is sleeping. We do not even have a number to contact. We have to contact the NRI Commissioner's office for what? And je म्हाका दिसता information आसपाक जाय कितले गोंयकार गल्फ हितूंत आहा. There are huge number of people, they are suffering there, they are scared. Here people are not aware. With regards to the LPG supply also, during 0 hour I mentioned about the shortage that is expected for commercial products. Je म्हाका दिसता we are a tourism industry state, आनीक एक म्हयनो ही LPG commercial usaक available आहा असो मुखेलमंत्री सांगता. And on what basis this, I am not sure. We have to be serious. We cannot be caught how we were caught during COVID times. COVID times, the government was caught off guard because they were not prepared. They took it very easy. I believe with the way the war is heading, anything can happen. LPG could be affected. Internet could be affected. The internet, je Arabian Sea, basically their connection with most of the data that we get from there. In the Red Sea, there is a disconnect. It cannot be fixed. So these are several issues. We need to think out of the box. When there is a war, we need to think out of the box. Get number of LPG gases. Double engine सरकार म्हणटा हे स्टोर आसपाक जाय. लोकांक त्रास जावपाक शिरीपणा. हो फक्त हे डबल इंजिन सरकार ज्या पद्धतीन आज आमी एक्सपोज केलेले आसा, there seems to be a disconnect. They are not interested. This we will make sure, don't this जाले, in the front we will make sure that we expose this.